Guys, me I tell you, I feel like $1 million. I hear from my mother, my cousin, my brother. I hear from them and them alright. Yeah man. Give thanks and praises for all the prayer. Them alright. Only a few little things happen to them, but them alright and them in good health and good strength. Only thing is no light, no water, no food. A little bit of food them have left, but you don't know that we can work on that. But guys, right now I tell you the truth. When me watch the video them and when me see the video them and when my friend them call me who have phone and can call me. One lady just called me a while ago. She lose the whole her house top. She have a little kid with Down syndrome. And I tell them I don't know how them are going to manage. But guys, right now I have a GoFundMe where each and every one can help out. It doesn't matter how much money, it doesn't matter how much, it doesn't matter what. Right now I'm trying to get a place where I can send to put things that people can send me so I can send them to Jamaica. But right now, because I cannot let them send things to my addresses. So what I have to do, I have a Pastor Fred. I go have Pastor Fred accept these things if in case I get none. I have a radio station that reach out to me here in Iowa. They want to help. So I'm working real hard behind the scene to get some help so we can help with Jamaicans. And guys, remember the merchandise them out there. So right now, every merchandise you buy, 5% is going to go to Jamaica Relief Fund. So that means people can have food, people can have any and everything them really want because a rough time. So guys, I go put the link down below. And if you don't see it in this video, check out the page. Look on the bio, you see the link. GoFundMe, help out. Please, me a beg you. I know it's hard to beg sometimes, but this time we need it. I'm out. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.